Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will be talking about how to gather information about websites. First of all, we need to get an idea about the technologies that is being used by the websites and the web server. And for that, one of the best sources, builtwith.com. Builtwith.com will provide you all the necessary details that you need to know about a website. It will tell you about the programming languages that has been used in the website. It will also tell you about the hosting providers to see where the website is hosted and about the web server as which server software is being used by the website. So now let's look at an example. For that, go to Google Chrome, type builtwith, open this first link. Over here, enter your website. Just to show you an example, I am using a testing website that has been provided to us by Acunetics. Now over here you can see that the website is using PHP as their language and web server is Nginx. Click on Detailed Technology Profile. It will also tell you about the web server's version, that is 1.4, and the web hosting providers, which is GoDaddy.com, and a lot more details. So you can explore more about this website. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. Now, apart from the technology of the website and web server, what else we can search and what else we can gather? So there is something called Web Archive or Wayback Machine. Going through the history of a website to see how the website looked in the past and its features, additions and deletions that have been made over time. We can look at the website and get to know how it looked in the past and what changes have been done over a period of time. Let's see an example of Web Archive. Type Web Archive, open the first link, and over here we'll type our website, that was testphp.oneweb.com. It will provide you information year-wise. So it was in 2012, the website was crawled for the first time. On August 19, it took one snapshot. Let's look at the snapshot. This is how the website looked during that time. Let's look on December 6. Same website. Now let's come a bit forward in 2016. Wow, it crawled many times and took many snapshots. Same, there was no change in the website. Now let's search for 2018. Exactly, no change. So in a similar way, you can get to know about the website and the changes that have been done over a period of time. Now, if you want to find out the subdomains related to a domain, you can either go to dnsdumpster.com or virustotal.com. Let's take an example. Let's go to dnsdumpster.com. And now, let's test our website. One more thing which you need to keep in your mind is that while going through the dnsdumpster.com, you need to look for the host records A to see the list of all the subdomains. So this is the host records A, and you can see the subdomains over here, and it has only one subdomain, that is this one, rs202995. Let's also check the same website on virustotal.com. So this is one of the important videos while testing a website and while doing a VAPT, because information gathering is the first step which you need to perform, and it is a very important step because you need to gather a hell lot of information about a website, and all these things which we have mentioned in this video are very crucial. So thank you for watching this tutorial.